reframe problems as opportunities for success. Meron ba dito, pag may problema siya, excited siya? Anong tingin niya sa tao na excited pag may problema? Bida-bida, ano pa? Napaka-judgmental niya naman. Just kidding. I get excited when I have problems. Yes, because I reframed how I see problems. This was the influence by Tony Robbins in my life. He said, when you have problems, get excited. It's not a natural feeling, right? I have a problem. Oh, may problema ako. Of course, iiyak ako. I will feel all my feelings. And then I remember some of the sources of my biggest blessings came from my biggest problems. So, and I invite you to embrace that. Just take an open mind. We have problems right now. Then get excited. Problems are simply possibilities waiting to be ignited.